What's up, YouTube? We found another car. In this case, it is a white 02 Jetta. It's got some small wheels on it, new tires. Inside it's a manual. The paint job is fresh, full exhaust. Paid $1,000 for it. Just getting it loaded up. The whole top of the engine's off of it, so let's get this loaded up and get it back to the shop. Basically, just using this here, pulling it up slowly but surely. So I think this thing's gonna be worth about $5,500. We spent $1,000 on it. I found a motor for $400. So hang with me, we'll get this back to the shop and go over it all. Am I weird for liking those little wheels? They're so tiny, but this thing looks awesome. I didn't want to do too much filming in his driveway. There were people looking out the windows. I guess this is called Cool White. It's a new paint job. It's got a bunch of stuff under the hood. The intake is in the trunk. It's all powder coated. I'll show you when we get back to the shop, but I'm gonna gas up and hit the road. We made it back to the shop. We're popping the hood. What do we got under here?
If I can get it open.
There's a stupid thing that has to pull straight out.
Oh, it's this right here.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
What's in there?
Oh, nothing.
Think we can reuse that cylinder? Well, that's why it was $1,000, I guess. It's got brand new hand cooks all the way around. 15-inch wheels. I don't know how much I'm digging those.
Comes with a mouse nest.
It does have all the right hoses.
It does.
I mean, it's all nice stuff. It's got a,
Is it a catch can?
034 catch can. I mean, all these hoses are real nice.
Yeah, they do look pretty new.
Yeah.
And they're not rubber crap. They're,
His story is he bought it, had some sort of engine failure, brought it to a shop. It sat there for 6 months. The guy lost the shop and they repoed the shop and every car there. So he had to wait 8 months to get his car back, and then he got it back and he was going to do the work himself. He pulled the head, trunk's full of parts too. The intake has been powder coated.
Sweet.
Except it's a funky blue.
Yeah, we can fix that.
He pulled it apart and it sat for 2 more years. So this car has been sitting for roughly 3 years. He said he did put the new hand cooks and wheels on it last year, and he's just been kind of plucking away at it. He did have the turbo rebuilt, he said, because he was planning on putting it back together.
Let's say it looks pretty clean.
Yeah, he says it was just rebuilt. We're gonna take it and look inside it, and I could see a lot of sand. It'd been sitting, so there's sand down in these tubes we're gonna have to go through.
Timing belts look bad, but if it's been sitting, we should probably.
Yeah. What did we pay for the last timing belt? It's like $250
or so.
$250.
All right, fire it up.
All right, fire it up. But the interior is actually pretty nice. It needs a good cleaning. 15-inch wheels. I don't know how much I love those. They don't look bad.
If they were 17s or 18s,
Yeah.
they would look good.
Thing is with 15s is they allow you to lower it too far, and then your oil pan gets hit.
Oh,
The oil pan's off it.
Oh.
I got underneath it to put it on and strap it. I'm like, holy crap, the oil pan's gone.
Maybe that's what happened.
Right. Yeah. The whole, you can see the rods and everything.
Yeah, I can see through the end block. Does he have his cat still?
You know, I don't know, but
he's got the
Yep.
police
Yep.
filter on.
The deflector. I like the taillights, they're sweet. Is it locked? Might be.
Yeah, smoke taillights.
Yep.
Yeah, baby.
Euro Customs. He bought all name brand stuff for it, so that's cool. It's not like an eBay thing.
Oh, geez,
It's not been opened in a while. Oh, it's turquoise.
Ooh, that's a new alternator.
Yep. What we got here? Is it a Spectra? Or is it actually?
Spectre? Yeah,
yes,
it looks
Spectre.
like a Spectre. Yeah, he's got 2 subs back here too.
Wow, we got subs.
Shit.
Some old Kenwoods.
Woo.
That means there's an amp back there.
Somewhere.
Here's the, oh boy, look at the rust on the cams.
Oh, yikes.
Good thing, we'd better off just buying a new engine. That's kind of,
That's a little bit much.
I think maybe we'll see what's up with the fuel rail and injectors and keep the intake off the other motor. We'll clean it up.
It doesn't look like he smashed off the oil pan, so
No.
that's good.
No, I think he was just trying to fix it.
That means it wasn't running.
It's been off for a while. AC pump. Yeah, that is new, isn't it?
Brand spanking.
What else? Oh, it's got the Audi R8 coils.
Ooh.
Nice.
I think I saw an alternator in the engine still.
But he says it's got a Euro Customs Stage 2 tune, 3-inch back exhaust.
No, I was lying.
It's got forged diverter, all that stuff. All the hoses, the catch can. It's on Raceland coilovers. You can tell Racelands are always green with gold.
Okay.
And they're like a step up from Max Peating rods, so they're not horrible.
Yep.
But fresh, cool white paint job. You feel the paint and it just feels soft. I mean, it feels smooth.
Oh, it does.
It's not all,
Yeah. Like it still has its clear coat.
yeah, it's not old at all. I saw some staining in the back seats,
We'll suck it out.
but I mean, it's not horrible. It's got a nice 1.8 engine cover. Sweet. So yeah, $1,000. What do you think? $400 motor, I think we can get it for. 200 and something timing. You know, we'll have 1,700 into it. Call it
It's like $2,000.
$2,000. Yep, with all the little things. And I think we put it up for 55. It's got 80K on the odometer.
Dang.
80,000 miles. This thing has sat all its life.
The brand new paint job, like no rust.
0 miles on the timing belt. I think he said that engine we're going to buy is like 150,000 miles, so not horrible.
But we'll have it out, so we'll have a new head gasket on it.
Yeah, we'll do all that stuff. Make it fresh. We can say it's all got 0 miles on it.
Yeah.
New hand-cooked tires.
Oh, sweet.
So, I mean, and these Jettas, they go for money. 0 rust. 0 rust in Michigan is huge on its own. And a good cleaning. But yeah, usually them tail lights are tacky. The eBay ones,
Yeah.
these ones aren't quite the
Pretty decent.
eBay specials. I think these are nice ones. It's got new headlights on it. Let's see. All new side markers. All the lights on it are fresh. So it's gonna be sweet.
He just gave you the tag.
Yeah. His wife, or he also said this bracket broke. We got to get a bracket from the junkyard.
Okay.
I don't know where it goes or how it goes on there, but it goes on there. Matches that one.
I see.
So he said, be careful shutting that because it can hit the window. Or he did shut it hard. He had to have this replaced. So thank God we remembered that. I mean, that tint's got to be new.
Oh,
It's fresh.
yeah, look. It's already hit
Yeah,
right here
yep.
already.
Jeez, oh Pete.
I'm gonna call it.
Yep, that's what he did. Slam.
I don't want my fingers there.
It's already not been opened in like 2 years, it seems like, so it doesn't want to shut very good. But man, this is a good looking car.
It looks sweet.
This will be the nicest Jetta around. I can confidently say that.
This is well, we don't know if the sunroof works, but if that works, that's even better.
I'll bet you it does.
And we'll extract and steam clean the whole inside.
Yep.
It's gonna look
The
nice.
dash looks mint. It's got a good deck in it. I wonder where the amp's probably behind the box.
Oh yeah.
It's got the whole teenager special going on. Yeah, this thing's gonna be sweet.
Oh, it's right. He's got coilovers.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
these mounts are all fudged, but
Yeah.
he's got coilovers too.
She's fresh. I forget what he was asking, but I lowballed the living crap out of him, and he said okay. Thought it was 1,800,
Yeah.
so I'll do 1,000 today. So backstory: we bought this last Friday. It's now Wednesday, so it's been raining. First sunny day. Figured it'd be a good day to go get it. Gonna have to fudge with the bumper a little bit. I don't know if I can. That's all part of the course, so that's just gonna get missed. It is missing the grill, so we'll have to find one of those. Just a black grill.
Easy enough.
Yeah, let's see. I mean, there's no bugs or bug chips on this.
No.
It feels soft. Usually when they sit, it's real sandy and rough. So, all right, that concludes this video. If you want to see a motor go in it, you're gonna have to come back.